In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GeForce NOW password. It's important to know right from the start that GeForce NOW uses your NVIDIA account password, so you won't be changing it inside a separate GeForce NOW password menu. Instead, you'll be updating the password connected to your NVIDIA account, and that change will apply to GeForce NOW as well. To begin, sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct NVIDIA account that you use for GeForce NOW. If you have more than one account, it's a good idea to double check before making any changes so you don't accidentally update the wrong login. Once you're signed in, open the security settings or the password settings section. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're on a desktop browser or a mobile device, but you're looking for the area where account protection and sign-in details are managed. This is where password changes are typically handled. When you're in the right section, select the option to change your password. This will open the password update form. Take your time here and make sure you're in the official account settings area before continuing, especially if you reach the page through a link or saved bookmark. Next, enter your current password. This step helps verify that it's really you making the change. Be careful when typing, since passwords are case sensitive. If needed, use the Show Password option, if available, to confirm that everything is entered correctly. After that, enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique that you're not already using on other accounts. A good password is usually longer, difficult to guess, and includes a mix of characters if the platform allows it. Avoid using simple words or easily guessed information. Then, confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same way. This confirmation step helps prevent mistakes, so if the two entries don't match, review them carefully and correct any typing errors before moving on. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Once it's saved successfully, your NVIDIA account password will be updated, and that means your GeForce NOW sign-in password will also be changed. After saving, you may be asked to sign in again on some devices. That's normal. Just use your new password going forward. And if you use a password manager, this is a good time to update the saved login there too. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GeForce NOW password by updating your NVIDIA account password.